Ready? Very hot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys.
I'm here with Ella,
Woo.
my friend, and today I'm just carving a pumpkin, and she's just gonna watch and talk and just
commentate.
Yeah. So the reason why I decided to get a pumpkin is because we're actually having an epic Halloween party tomorrow night. So I thought it'd be cool to like put a candle in it. And yeah. So I'm just gonna wing it. I mean, I've never carved a pumpkin before, have you? Same.
I was gonna say wing it like a bat.
Oh my god.
Oh my
okay.
god, my jokes are so good. Okay, I tried to carve a pumpkin and then I got too scared, so.
I'm not sure if this is like the right knife to use, but... And I just got this like ladle thing to scoop the shit out. So that's good. Okay, well I'm gonna get started. I'm pretty sure you cut around the top first. If I cut myself on my birthday... Ooh! This is hard to get into. I'm so scared. This is not gonna be an even circle.
Looks good so far.
Oh, that's in. That's what he said. Oh. I was just expecting you to just go cut around it real smoothly, but
That's just not how it works with pumpkins.
Okay. Well, I'm on Struggle Street at the moment, so this is great. Okay, this knife is much better. Oh! Ew, it smells disgusting.
Let's not. No, it smells like raw pumpkin.
Oh, it smells like someone just farted in there. 2 hours later. Okay, so oh shit. Okay, so I got all this, well, most of the stuff out. Oh, there actually wasn't much inside of the pumpkin to get out, so that's good. Still a few like seeds.
Yeah, that looks good.
I don't know if you guys can see in there. Well, now I'm going to do the design.
Angry face or happy face?
I guess like a basic sort of angry, scary face.
Yeah.
So like triangle eyes.
Yeah, yeah, bigger than that. Go bigger.
Oh my god, it's so
I would also
hard to do it on
angle
like...
them more.
Oh yeah. Okay, I get what you mean.
Don't you just like make the mouth open? Because that's where the candle's gonna...
Yeah. Mine's even fucking... Oh shit. Okay, well, this is my masterpiece. So I'm gonna try and cut
It'll
this
be good.
out now. I think I'm doing pretty well for like first time.
Yeah.
Please don't stab yourself, Melinda.
What are some classic Halloween movies that everyone watches? Because I'm trying to figure out what we're watching tonight.
Well, I wanted to watch, by the way, because it's my birthday, we're going out for dinner and then we're coming back and watching some Halloween movies, which will be fun. I really want to watch Hocus Pocus. I feel that's like
I was
a
just
classic.
thinking about that. Yeah, definitely.
Ugh, such a classic movie.
Yeah,
So.
Hocus Pocus. Let me look up classic Halloween movies.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, so Hocus Pocus, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Halloween. I didn't even know there was one called Halloween. Casper, Trick or Treat, The Worst Witch. Oh my god, do you remember that?
The Worst Witch.
Yeah, that was an old TV show.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
that was like my fave.
Halloween with the New Addams Family.
That's it, Addams Family. That's
The
what I
Addams
watched so
Family,
much.
yeah.
Wow. Took me a while to think of mine.
Oh my god!
There's a freaking fly in this room!
So, do you remember Casper Meets Wendy?
No, I don't think I've seen that.
Oh, so you don't know Casper the Friendly Ghost?
Like, I've heard of him, but like...
Oh, okay. Well, I used to watch that when I was younger. And I had no idea that Wendy is Hilary Duff.
Really?
Yes, look. Ghostbusters. Buns. What is that?
I don't know, they're doing something outside. I'm filming now! Ow, oh my god. This is it so far. I've cut out the eyes. I think it looks pretty good. So, onto the
It does.
nose and the mouth.
It does look good.
Yeah!
No.
I really shouldn't have drawn a nose because it's hard to like...
Yeah, they usually don't have a nose.
Well!
But you do you, girl. What are we gonna call him? Or her? I think he's Frank.
Frankie! Okay, now I've got to do the mouth, and that's probably going to be the hardest. Maybe. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, I think I need to turn it over. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Stubbed it too. See how it's going like. I mean, it makes him unique that he.
Yeah, exactly.
It makes him unique that he has.
I reckon he's a Frankie.
He has conjoined nose and that. Listen to the nice sound of me stubbing a pumpkin.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
It's very calming, actually.
I've got the mouth. Unfortunately, the nose is joined to the mouth.
Oh! Oh, that looks great.
I mean, it could just hang there. We could super glue it.
You could do that.
This is the final product. I think I did pretty good,
You did.
to be honest, for my first time. Frankie looks sick. So yes, that's my pumpkin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you think about it, Ella?
I think I love it. I think it's great. It's a work of art. And I had fun eating and being in this video. So thanks for having me.
It's okay. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and give it a thumbs up. Is that the thumb? Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I'll see you in my next one.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! That's so awkward. Hope you guys have a great Halloween. Bye!
Bye.
Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some pumpkin carving and I have my friend Mel with me to commentate. So here we go.
I'm doing the pumpkin carving. So I've got Ella here.
I feel so weird. Like,
Where do you put his finger?
No, feel this. Literally though, feel this. How weird does that...
Okay, cool.
Okay.
La 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 la. Ooh.
We did it!
We should be like,